It's finally Christmas break and we are headed up to Orlando. I have all my stuff packed. I'm clearly ready for the Orlando vibes. I've got Mickey and Minnie on my sweatshirt and it's a little bit chilly outside, so it's just perfect weather to wear this sweatshirt. I'm feeling very excited, very ready to go, and very ready to just start this break, and hopefully it's gonna be a good one with lots of fun things and just happy moments. I love documenting everything that I do, so I hope this video is fun to watch for me and maybe for you. So without further ado, let's go! Before I go, I just wanted to show you my gingerbread house, which I'm so sad to be leaving, but there's no way I can throw it away, so I'm just putting it in my fridge for now. I know someday I'll have to throw it away, but the back is a little, you know, not as great. But I really like my little gingerbread house, and I just can't let it go yet. So, into the fridge with you. See you when I get back.
Your natural, authentic self. Hey, folks!
Then I'm gonna go
as we're driving
to warm up my voice.
Would you look at that sunset? Would you look at that sunset? Would you just look at it?
If I talk normally, I'd be like, hi, so we're going to Rainforest Cafe. I drove for like 5 hours. See, that's how I would talk.
Okay, well here we go. We gotta experiment then. Let's do it just as over the top as imaginable. Level 10, all right? But the point is, we're gonna tone it down from there. So that's like, we're gonna give it a 10, and then we're gonna go, okay, let's bring it down to an 8. Let's bring it down to a 5. Let's bring it down to a 2.
My arm's getting tired.
Let's bring it down to a 0. And then 0 is our authentic self. So ready?
Okay.
Hey everybody! We're going to Rainforest Cafe to have dinner!
I'm so excited!
Wow! We got a reservation tonight! How crazy is that?
Okay, Chris, you gotta drive.
I am driving!
I'm stopping this driving now. But for real now, I drove about 5 hours up to Orlando, and I am here now, and we are headed to Animal Kingdom to eat at Rainforest Cafe. And that's about all I have to say.
Look at all those suckers waiting in that traffic. Not us though. Look at the Mickey Power Pole.
Not sure you can see it. Feel like the vlog needs to know that each one of these is $65. This is $65.
Do you want this? Do you want this? Do you want this?
So Curtis has been influenced to buy this coffee because it has Kevin Costner on it. And fun fact is that when I worked at Sea Life Aquarium, I held the door for Kevin Costner.
So that's why we're getting it.
No, well that's not. You are just influenced by
Kevin Costner's beautiful face.
snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, 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 oh,
Here we go to the Lightscape at the Botanical Gardens in Encinitas. And it's a little bit chilly. It's 61 degrees, which is chilly. Nobody judge.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.